Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Teacher Fatiha. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the modeling prompting that we can do to teach our children to be able to pick up beads or coins using their fingers independently. So how to do this? Firstly, be in front of the child. For example, let's imagine the audience or you are the child. So let's say Ahmad. Here in front of me, in front of us, is a bead. So let's pick them up. So show them, lift their arm. For example, lift their arm. Show them how to lift their arm, and then direct their hand to the item and isolate finger 1, 2, 3 to pick them up. So this is the modeling prompting that we can do. So good luck in trying them.